folks, here OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Inateck Bluetooth USB 4.0 USB dongle. This device can be connected to any Mac or PC or even a desktop that doesn't have native Bluetooth support. And again, it offers Bluetooth 4.0, so it's a very up-to-date Bluetooth version, which allows you to save battery and also connect to most phones, headsets, speakers, as well as tablets. So you can actually transfer data such as pictures, images, and documents from a phone and a tablet wirelessly, in addition to listening to music from your PC or Mac using wireless Bluetooth speakers and also Bluetooth headphones. So it's a quite important accessory to have. Again, if you don't have Bluetooth, it can be quite useful. And the best part about this product is it's very inexpensive as an accessory and can be purchased for just under $10 on Amazon's website or from Inateck's website, and will arrive in around 3 days shipping. So it's extremely fast and very quick to deliver. Inside the packaging, we have access to just the actual Bluetooth USB 4.0 dongle and also have access to a driver. Something I should point out is that this is a plug-and-play experience, so on some devices you don't even need to have a driver installed for the product to be recognized. And for some older computers running Windows XP or perhaps on an older version of Mac, you'll actually have to need to install the driver, which is very simple to use. But again, on Windows 8 computers, Windows 7 computers, simply plugging in this device will allow your computer to recognize that you have a Bluetooth driver installed, and it will automatically install the driver based on the USB dongle, and you're ready to go without having to put in the CD in the back. The Inateck Bluetooth 4.0 dongle is actually pretty nice. It's very, very small, but has rounded corners, so it's easy to grip, and you can basically have it disappear once plugged into a port on your computer. It works for any USB 3.0 port, any USB 2.0 port, and again, it basically sticks out on the side by a very small margin, so you don't even have to unplug it when you're carrying your laptop around in a case, which is definitely nice. There's also a simple click key for you to press just to activate the Bluetooth mode and turn that on, and there is a blue LED, which you'll see in a moment, which will illuminate when the device is actually connected. So overall, pretty attractive design that's small and won't get USB dongle just plugs onto the side of the computer like so. Again, you can see the blue LED turn on, indicating the Bluetooth is currently on, and it's pretty easy to set up. We can then take a look at our computer. This is running on Windows 8, so the driver is basically an instantaneous connection, and we can see how we have the Bluetooth logo turn on automatically. And again, we can now press on that just to take a look at, we can add a Bluetooth device, show Bluetooth devices, and then send a file, receive a file. So it's very, very simple to use and very easy to operate. So for example, let's do show Bluetooth devices. It's going to take us to the Bluetooth screen on Windows 8, and it's going to show us all the devices currently turned on by Bluetooth. So for example, let's click on the device we want to pair with. We're just going to press on pair, and we can turn the device on to our device, and that's going to show that there is a compare the passcodes shown. So touch to pair with owner, and it says that there's the same passcode located on here, and if we want to pair, let's press yes on here and press pair, and then within a few moments the device will basically start pairing up, and it takes a few seconds to fully initiate, but overall it still works pretty fast, and it's going to get connected like so. It works again with any Bluetooth connected tablet or smartphone or headphone or speaker, so it virtually is great for anything that you have Bluetooth with. And then the dongle will now start flashing. So we can take a look at how this works now just by pressing on the Bluetooth logo, and since we are connected, we can send a file. So for example, we can press send to our N9500. We can browse something to send. For example, this OS Reviews logo. Let's just press next and connect with our device, and it says that there's something that I've received from my computer. I can press on that. I can say I want to accept it. The file will now be downloaded, and I have now received it. So I can press on that and take a look at the image that was sent to me, and take a look at that through my gallery. And there you go, I now have the image sent to my phone. So it's very easy to use operation and can be used backwards compatible as well. So I can send from my phone to my computer without being transmitted through the USB dongle or the Bluetooth 4.0 dongle is also quite nice. We didn't have any issues in terms of listening to music. It was streamlined, it was smooth, and overall pretty impressive in terms of music quality through a speaker and a headset as well. So overall, if you're looking for something that works extremely well out of the packaging without really a need for a driver with most modern computers, but you don't have Bluetooth installed on your PC or on your desktop or even on a laptop, this is a great option to go with because it's cheap, it's inexpensive, but will allow you to have more options in terms of transferring data and also for listening to music and enjoying your content in a more easy to use manner without any wires. Thanks for watching this video review here at OS Reviews. You can check out more information and our full written review down in the description box below. This has been the Inateck Bluetooth 4.0 USB dongle. Thanks for watching.